Hey, what's up? I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity, and when I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So welcome to another day of Colleen's Creeptober. For this edition, I am actually doing a collab with one of the most sweetest women I've ever met on YouTube, Nona from My So-Called Life. I'm so excited to be doing this collab with her. We are actually going to be doing, this is a collab she does with people. It's called Destination Inspiration. And we each send each other a picture of some place around the world, and we pull the colors from the picture and make a look. So I'm really, really excited. Nona is like the sweetest. I will have her information below. Please go check her out. I just love her. I love her voice. She's just such a sweetheart. There's just something about her that makes me smile. I love her. So this is the picture that Nona sent for me to use as my inspiration. It is in Vermont, and it is a pumpkin patch. I love it. It is so perfect for this time of year. I'm so excited she sent me that kind of picture. Because like we're doing pumpkins, I'm wearing these earrings right here, which I made. This pumpkin actually glows in the dark if you let it sit in the light for long enough, but obviously I'm not going to turn the lights off and have my earrings glowing in the dark, because that's not what this video is about. This video is about doing the collab with Nona. So when I first saw this picture, I immediately obviously thought of orange because of all the pumpkins there. So for the orange, I'm actually going to pull two shadows from Tracy's powder room, and I'm going to pull, this is Don't Be Coy, and I'll show you right here. Which is this cool orangey color right here. And I'm actually going to pull then Vintage Peach, which is this one right here. And then I love the like bluishy green sky. So I'm going to go into a shadow from Lele Posh. This is called Watermelon right here. And I'm going to put that on my eyes as well. And then for the browns, I decided to go into Aether Beauty's Summer Solstice palette. This is a palette I actually got during one of like Sephora's sales, and I have not used it yet. I completely forgot. I put it in my drawer with all my other Aether palettes and forgot that I never used this palette. So I'm so excited to try this palette. I like how Aether Beauty performs, so I have high expectations on how this palette will perform. So it's going to be fun to use it for this look. So anyway, without any further ado, let's get into creating a look inspired by this lovely picture that Nona sent me. I just primed my eyes with my P. Louise base, and now I'm going to go into the Aether Beauty palette, and I'm going to go into this color right here, Cold Soul. So I'm picking it up on this Real Techniques brush right here. And I'm just going to go in a windshield wiper motion back and forth on my eye and just apply it to my crease and socket area. It's a really pretty color, and it's performing very nicely, just like the other Aether Beauty products. And I'm just going to take a blending brush and just smooth it out a little bit. And then for my brow bone area, I'm going to go into that color Vintage Peach from Tracy's powder room. And I'm just going to pick that up on a pencil brush. It's a little bit darker for my brow bone area, but I just think it's such a pretty color, and I just thought it would look nice there versus in my inner corner, which was where I was almost going to put it, but I decided to go with the brow bone instead. It's just such a pretty color. It's like a champagne-y peach color, if you can see. Now I'm going to jump back into the Aether Beauty palette, and I'm going to go into this dark brown color called Sister. It's S-I-T-E-R-E. I'm not trying to pronounce that, I apologize. And I'm just going to go in on a Wayne Goss 19 brush. As I want to darken up the lower part of my crease. And I'm just going back and forth in that. Nona's channel is great because Nona does a lot of stuff. She does tutorials, she does a lot of collabs, she does empties, she does hauls, I really enjoy her videos. She does like such a nice variety of things, and she's just very pleasant to listen to and watch. So like I said, I highly suggest that you go check Nona out if you're not already subscribed. And she gets a wide variety of products too. Like, she doesn't just buy like from certain brands. She buys from a lot of different brands, from high end to lower end. And there are actually some makeup brands that I'd never heard of that she actually had in her channel that I ended up looking into because she did them and she had, you know, positive experience with them. Just try to smooth these two out where they meet, just so it's not like so harsh. So now I'm going to jump back to Tracy's powder room, and I am going to go in to this color Don't Be Coy, and it's going to pick it up on a flat Morphe brush. And I am going to spritz it. Like as Nona says, she sprays any shimmer regardless of brand. So following in her footsteps. And I'm just applying that to my entire mobile lid. So just like this so far. Off camera, I just did some work on this eye, and then I went in my waterline with LA Girls Shockwave Neon Liner in the color Fresh. So I'm going to jump back into this palette over here, and this I'm going to go into Lele Posh's color Watermelon. I'm just going to pick that up on a, I think I might have hit the camera. Did I? I might have. On a Luxie round brush, and I'm going to spritz it with a little bit of water. And I'm going to apply that to under my lower lash line. It almost like matches the LA Girl liner, and it's just bringing out to me that greenish-y blue color in the sky. I just thought it would look really nice. And then I just want to take a brush and just kind of blend it a little bit. And now I'm going to go back into my Aether Beauty palette, and I'm going to go into this color Citrine right here, and I'm going to pop that on my inner corner, which I actually did off camera. I was finishing this eye up, and I actually put the color Citrine on this eye instead of this eye, so I had a little bit on, but you know, I think it looks pretty. So it's looking like this so far. This is my finished look right here. I'm happy with how it came out. I like the colors that I picked. I hope, Nona, I hope you like how I interpreted the picture you sent me. I absolutely love the picture. I thought it was so pretty and perfect for this time of year. On my lips, I just finished up with Kaleidos' Lip Tonic in the color Infusion. I really like these lip tonics. They are an interesting formula. They're like a matte, but they're also kind of creamy. I don't know. I can't explain it, but I really like them. I have this in another color as well. So Nona, thank you once again for doing this collab with me. I had a great time doing it. I, of course, will have Nona's information listed below. Please go check out Nona. She is so lovely. I think you guys will really like her. So my celestial cupcakes, that is it for this video. So if you liked this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really, really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. I totally get it. I am not one of the cool kids. So anyway, I thank you for spending this minute with me. I really appreciate it. I will send you happy thoughts and positive vibes your way just for stopping by. So thank you. As always, I will have everything that I'm wearing on my face, as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles in case you want to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I do not film, as well as pictures of my pets, and I think they are adorable. But of course, we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies, but oh well. Anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. And remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye!